Hello, Redneck Gamers. This is going to be the third thing I'm starting on this channel. It says here, this is sign up to be for the NASCAR Drag Racing Cup Series. Where I'll do the bed drags, just like a few other people. Cars you'll be able to sign up for. Cars you'll be able to sign up for. I'm setting up right now. Okay, there will only be 5 people in the series, so you're going to have the 17 car, the 36 car, the 17, and the 3. The 3, you have 2 paint schemes. You can either have this paint scheme, or you can have this paint scheme. Whatever you want. And this is our Pegasus car. Sponsorship car. K&N, this is the NASCAR bed drag. K&N bed drag series.